Ayan, good morning. It's a bright Saturday morning. Medyo matagal-tagal tayong hindi nakapag-vlog for the past few weeks. I think maybe it's been almost a month since my last upload. So, yan, medyo nawala kasi tayo sa focus sa pag-vlog. Medyo naging concern tayo sa security ng ating current work right now. The last 2 weeks kasi may mga na-redundant unfortunately na colleagues ko, and syempre that denotes na it's a bad time for the company. So especially kasi sa mga IT industry, I would say na it's in demand, it's high reward, pero may mga risk just like any other jobs. So, and on our case, medyo in terms of numbers of project, medyo slow yung economy even dito sa Australia. So, yun, medyo may mga concerns sa mga projects, current projects namin, and medyo slow yung pagdating ng mga new projects. So, that means it impacts yung company revenue. So unfortunately, there are a few colleagues na redundant, and syempre pag ganon, syempre kakaba-kaba ka rin, no? Somehow. Especially dun sa skills ko kasi it's Citrix operations and support, and medyo it's a niche skills, and yun, unfortunately, since September there was a change in license price tier, and that made it more expensive sa mga clients dun sa bagong price tier ng Citrix license. So it impacted a few clients, so they had to decide to move to another platform. So yun, dahil doon syempre kakaba-kaba tayo sa job security kasi nabawasan ng clients using Citrix environment. But anyway, sabi nga ng wife ko, si My Loves, so we don't have any control dun sa aspect na ganon, and we just the only thing we can do is just hope for the best and have a backup plan. So ang backup plans natin is of course look around. So ang usual naman natin is sa paghahanap is yung typical either Seek.com or LinkedIn. Yun para lang hindi naman yun totally na actively looking, but look for options lang, no? So kung may alternative options tayong makita, then why not, and yun, hope for the best. And yun, kasi wala naman tayong magagawa kung we just have to worry. But syempre, dapat just any other jobs. Mahirap kasi dito, no, sa Australia, we're paying mortgages. And yun, syempre, dapat may backup plan. So, anyway, in God's grace, hindi naman tayo pabayaan. So, tuloy lang yung work, and yun, syempre, tingin din ng options outside. Ayun, see ya. Naalala ko tuloy dun sa previous project ko. So, nagkaroon din ako ng ganitong experience na medyo natakot tayo sa ating job security. Kasi for 3 months, imagine nyo guys, no? 3 months. So, I was placed in the bench. Meaning parang waiting ka sa project. So, wala akong project, meaning wala akong work. But still getting paid. So, 3 months ako doon straight na walang work, sarap ng buhay. Pero syempre, kakaba ako noon at that time kasi hindi ka syempre pwedeng tumagal doon sa bench for a long time na walang project. And then, luckily na lang, after nung 3rd month ko, I was tapped in another project na may Citrix operations and support. So, yun. Dito na naman, syempre, kakaba-kaba ulit. Pero, yun nga, sabi ni Lai, don't worry. But, syempre, have some backup plans. And I think ganun naman talaga. And I think, even sa ibang environment, so ibang type of work. So, there's always a risk. Kaya, ang importante talaga is build some skills. And yun, siguro just when things goes south, just be resilient and hanap lang ng ibang options. Ox na. Ayan, tara, breakfast tayo. So, kahapon pala, pumunta kami sa... Saan ba yun? Beckenham. So, may Fusion Festival. Bilang masyado nakapag-video. So, may fireworks and of course, may mga food trucks. May mga rides din. So, nag-rides sila, Bella. And syempre, pinuntahan namin yung friend namin na may... may food truck. Food truck ba tawag dito? Parang ganun. No? So, pag may mga food bazaar kasi tawag sa Pinas. So, hanapin yun. Go Grillas. So, friend namin yung owner na. Masarap yung mga pork and chicken skewers. And yun. So kahapon yung first day from 4 p.m. to 9. And then another one ngayong Saturday. Ako yung mga ganun din dito. Yung mga trip ng mga tao. Parang picnic style. Mura lang. May mini concert din. Table tennis muna tayo dito sa Black Swan Table Tennis. So, dito lang to sa Maddington. So, para siyang warehouse. And, hindi, warehouse siya talaga. And then, yung isang part doon, table tennis area. Kakaiba. Pero what I've heard kasi yung owner daw ata nitong compound na to, mahilig sa table tennis. Kaya, yun, yung isang area, ginawa niyang ping pong. Yun, so papawis muna tayo habang weekend. Ayan, so tama na yung almost 2 hours of table tennis. And napawisan naman tayo. Kailangan natin yan, especially on weekends na walang work. So, yan, uwi na ako. Gas muna tayo. So, $1, 1.8 per liter ang diesel. So, dito tayo sa Ampol, which is previously Caltex to eh. So, nirebrand siya. So, ngayon Ampol na siya. Yung Caltex lahat nirebrand to Ampol. So, nakapagpaharga tayo ng 49.6 liters for $90. Ayan. So, maganda dito, yung Ampol app. So, wala nang interaction. So, you just have to remember kung anong number ka, which is number 9. And yun. So, through the Ampol app. So, through the Ampol app, maglagay ka lang ng credit card and you just have to select yung kung anong number nung gas station, say number 9, and yun, pwede ka na magbayad. So self-service yung pump, and then yan, pwede ka magbayad through the app. So totally wala na siyang interaction. So hindi mo na kailangan pumunta doon sa loob para magbayad lang. So yun, automatic through credit card na yun. And bibigyan ka rin ng receipt. And sometimes meron din siyang may free ka pag nagbayad ka sa app, may free ka na coffee. So, di ba? Okay din. Ayun, so yan. Tapos na ako. Ito sa mga common na servo station. So servo station ang tawag dito, hindi gas station. Sa atin kasi ang tawag natin is gas station. Dito servo. So yan, malapit lang sa amin. Kasama natin si My Labs. Pupunta tayo ng groceries. Namin dito sa Southern River mag-groceries. So okay din dito. Maliwalas yung area dito sa Southern River. Para maiba naman. Pasale na yung mga nuts dito, pero ayan, para sa akin mahal pa rin. Mixed nuts. Hanap tayong sweets kasi may sweet tooth tayo. Ang sarap dito. Ito, donuts. Lakas ng loob ko kasi 23 degrees lang. Nagsando lang ako. Ganun pala, malamig. Lalo dito sa loob ng groceries. Pero kaya naman. Ito yung mga ham. So, $8 per kilogram. Double smoked half leg ham. So half leg, ito naman $13.50 per kilo. Anong gulay? Ganda yung mga eggplant dito eh. Lalaki. Big.